guys, lovely little patio clean today, quite a small one. Was contacted by the son of the customer because she's a very elderly lady and she doesn't use the internet. Parking's a bit rubbish. I'm not sure where I'm going to plonk my machine, but hey, we'll figure it out. It's not a problem. Okay, so let me turn you round. This is the front. So just that block of slabs there. This concrete along here, absolutely covered in moss. Clay bricks by the looks of things. Yeah, clay bricks. I am not going to flat surface clean of them. There's got lots of stones in between, they'll ping everywhere, so I'll have to turbo that. As you can see, lots and lots of black spot. This looks relatively clean here. Okay, so the son had kindly come and cleared the paving for me. So nice and clear, ready for me to go. Just the bins I have to move as I work. And then you've got that wall there and those steps. So yeah, I told you it was a small one. But yeah, it's quite nice. I quite like doing these little ones every now and then. Nice early finish and home nice and early. Obviously they're less money, but it's not all about money, is it? Anyway, let's get set up and crack on. Okay guys, that went pretty well. Was expecting to have to go over that neat a few times, but the turbo took most of the black spots off, so yeah, happy days. So let me move over here. Okay, there's the front. I can assure you that's not black spot, that is black stones within the aggregate. So yeah, they're just worn and weathered, those slabs. Yeah, come up okay. I mean, they come up as best they can. The bricks are looking nice, pretty nice. Ugh, just trodden in some dirt then. I'll wash it off before I go. Anyway, right, let's start. Okay, pretty much all the black spot has gone. So I would say at least 80% of it came off with the turbo. That's why I chose to use the turbo nozzle. Because they come up, what's so great about slabs like this is, okay, they're not the prettiest and they're a bit old-fashioned, but they're so easy to remove black spot from. I mean, that looks pretty good. Walls come up nice.
Looked out the window and it looks like new. I was just thinking it looks like new.
Oh, thank you so much. Cheers.
Yes.
Oh, that's very kind.
Yes.
No, that's excellent. Thank you.
Oh.